after he was born, this little bird was pushing others away from the nest with his eyes hadn't opened yet. This bird is a cuckoo. It lays an egg inside another bird's nest and lets the mother of its own nest take care of its egg without notice. Once the female cuckoo lays her egg in the nest of a host bird, it takes around 11 to 13 days for the cuckoo egg to hatch, which is faster than the host eggs to hatch. Once the cuckoo egg hatches, the young cuckoo typically pushes any host eggs or chicks out of the nest, monopolizing the host parent's attention and resources. The foster parents feed the rapidly growing cuckoo chick, unaware that it is not their own.